is Lone Bay, or the area in Lone Bay. Lone Bay is actually just around there. It's just north. No, it's not. It is just south of the town of Rovinj, which is just over there, behind that little island, and it's pretty amazing. Crystal clear waters, beautiful day, nobody around. This is such a good time to visit.
Just cycled around this peninsula that sticks out, and there's like a little park area, a few little restaurants which obviously aren't open now. There's a lovely little winding path that just follows like the rocky sort of shoreline. Rovinj town looks really cool, similar to Paran but bigger scale and a little bit more Croatian obviously. Loving Croatia though, and loving being by the sea again.
Yeah! This little area here of Lone Bay, again there's nobody here, so we've got it all to ourselves. Brilliant time. It would be really busy in the summer, but it's just beautiful. It really is. The colour of the water and the beach, I was looking, is like these little tiny stones, so it's almost like sand. We were just saying that it's actually probably better than sand because it feels nice on your feet and it's comfortable to sort of lay in or sit in, but you don't get as messy, do you? With sand, it just gets everywhere.
From a distance it looks like a white sand beach, so yeah, for your photos and stuff and just for admiring.
And obviously because of the time of the year and the time of the day, the sun isn't on us now, it's not on the water, but you can imagine the colour of this water when the sun is full on it in the summer. Crystal clear and lovely that water looks, and you know what, it's not actually that cold, and it is tempting to jump in. You could, but there is loads of little jellyfish and we've seen them all over.
Oh, we don't want to be going in there.
Yeah, you might get stung. Everywhere you look in this little town, all along the peninsula, all along the bays, all along the coast, in the actual town itself, down by the harbour, and now up here by the big church. Is it a church? All the little cobbled streets, colourful houses, all this stonework in this area by the church. It's just all absolutely lovely. It's like we've got the whole little town to ourselves.
Stunning.
Like, you know, it's like the middle of the day, it's 1:30, lunchtime. It's just fantastic. These streets are just amazing, aren't they?
Little coloured houses, it all looks really old, all the beautiful shutters and street lamps and quaint little signs, cobbled streets, all the stonework in the cobbled streets is awesome. It is like a ghost town.
I can't stop taking pictures.
I know, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. So third night in Croatia and third stunning beachside location. Out of season, it's the perfect van life destination.
Admittedly it is cold, but if you go for a run first or do a bit of skipping or whatever, a little workout, I went for a run probably about 3k, and then obviously you get warm and then it's lovely, it really is. And I just swam around a little bit and out. So nice, and then you get out and you feel really warm and refreshed. So yes, it's definitely, I mean, it's so inviting, you have to go in, don't you? We're the only ones here, again, and have been all night. So, it's great. So we're getting ready to drive. We're only going to drive like about 45 minutes just to charge the battery on the laptop, and it's just too much of a nice day to drive all day. So we just drive enough time to charge both of our laptops and everything else, and then we'll stop again by another beautiful beach. Charlie seems to have tripped and fallen over.
Oh no! You like this location? Do you prefer this bed of dirt to the last bed of dirt? You're not really fussy, are you?
Very unique, and there's only one of them. Or have you seen some more?
No, I've only seen one of these, but there's quite a few different types around. Let's check out these ones.
Really quite good to get a mushroom book, so you could, because I do really love mushrooms, so you could know what's safe to it. Mind you, you know what, I'd still be a little bit frightened, wouldn't you?
Yeah. They have those magic ones as well, don't they? Which
send your head all funny, so I've heard. Sometimes, oh gosh, we knocked the aerial. Oh god.
What?
Broken the aerial.
Really?
Broken the aerial.
Never used it anyway.
Just another little thing broken on Vinny. Yeah, some of these narrow little roads to get down to find the perfect camp spot. It's not always as easy as we'd liked it to be, but it's worth it. Worth a few more little scratches.
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.